Received a rejected notice from the IRS? Don't panic. Whether you use Easy 1095 or another software, this guide will help you fix the error and stay compliant. If you are in the testing phase, rejections usually happen because you used real data. For IRS AATS testing, you must use pre-built test scenarios. You can download these ready-to-use files from the link in our description. If you received a rejection for real data, follow these 4 steps.
Step 1. Secure your data. Before making changes, always back up your Easy 1095 software data and your original XML files if you filed using your own TCC. Step 2. Download your error report. Retrieve the detailed error description directly from the IRS accepted with error status message or from your client portal if you e-filed ACA forms with our service. Step 3. Analyze and identify. Now, you need to pinpoint exactly which forms triggered the error. Depending on how you filed, you have 3 simple ways to identify the issue. First, if you used our e-filing service, everything is ready for you. The error report will clearly list the form ID, the employee's name, error code, and the error description. Second, if you filed independently using your own TCC, you can use our free Parse ACA errors tool on the Halfpricesoft website. It's built to translate those complex IRS XML files into clear, easy-to-read information. Finally, if you prefer to parse error manually, you can follow our step-by-step guide. Once you know which forms have errors, check the Common IRS Error Codes list in our video description to find your fix.
Step 4. Choose your submission type. Depending on the rejection, you will file one of 2 ways. File a replacement. Do this if the error was technical, such as invalid XML formatting or a schema error. File a resubmission. Do this if the data itself was rejected, like an incorrect EIN or significant inaccuracies in the content. Here is the golden rule. Never manually edit your XML files. Instead, always correct the data within the Easy 1095 interface. Even if you filed with different software originally, you can simply import your data into Easy 1095. Once corrected, our software will generate the new, valid XML files for your resubmission.
Need help? Click the Help menu in Easy 1095 for a detailed guide, or visit our support page on the Halfpricesoft website. Make tax season stress-free with Easy 1095. Download the free demo today and see how easy it is to prepare, print, and e-file your ACA forms directly to the IRS.